Look, we've just been talking about all the things that are going wrong in the world. And I just want to say that always remember all the things that are going right, all the people, the good people who are doing good things, and being ready and available and open to learning about the science, learning about the ecology of sharks, for instance, which is the topic that we're dealing with at the moment, and actually working out positive ways to respond so that we don't keep hammering Mother Nature into the ground. We actually work with Mother Nature. And we've got our recalcitrants, we've got a very recalcitrant Premier who just can't do this. So I am always so uplifted when I meet people like you and your mate here coming around and just talking to people about, the good sense of allowing sharks to have their fulfilling lives in the ocean, which is their natural place, and how we have to make some adaptations if we're going to use their world. We don't want to knock them into shape so that we can, take over their world. We want to actually work with them. So thank you very much for what you're doing. You just make me feel happy.
Thank you very much.